Good afternoon, students. Welcome to class 5 moral science class. Okay, just I have started your second chapter. Second chapter is compassions, and I am discussing also what the compassions, what is this, all the ways or the showing the compassion, all these things I have discussed. Okay, and today I will discuss the story, two story given in a book. This particular story I am talking about the story and the two story. Today I will discuss only one story. Okay, let us read the story. First, it is of Bhai Kanhaji that I can think of. Bhai Kanhaji was disciple of Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, the ninth Sikh Guru. Actually, this story actually have to focus on the main things. Okay, what is the focus, what the compassions, this story, and also this is actually the story based on this is Guru Kanhaji and the Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, and also the actually the where our classes was going on that time, this story. And during the actually the Guru Bhai Kanhaji was a disciple of Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, disciples, and the Guru Tegh Bahadur, who was Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Ji, the ninth Sikh Guru. During frequent clashes and wars that took place between the Sikh and Mughals. Okay, this during the already I have told that this is the war and clashes was going on between the Sikh and Mughals. Okay, in that time, this story, the Bhai Kanhaji was seen carrying a masak. Suddenly, Bhai Kanhaji was seen carrying a masak. Masak means a goat skin water pouch. Water is there in it. Running here and there in battlefield, feeding water to all soldiers, not caring from which side they were. Feeding water to all soldiers. This is actually his compassion. He helped all. Okay, helped all, not dividing. That is actually they not showing any discrimination, any biasness. Okay, and this he did this seva. Seva means actually the selfless service with love and affection, with any discrimination. Love and affection with it. This is the actually the showing that compassion. This is the divided peoples. And he helped all human beings. And his act of compassion stirred up the stern criticism amongst his fellows who complained to Guru Tegh Bahadur, Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Okay, Guru and the other six fellow others disciples complained to Guru Gobind Singh Ji. Guru Gobind Singh Ji was the 10th Sikh Guru, pointing out that Bhai Kanhaji was even serving a fallen enemy, serving the fallen also. The foreign enemy attack. Bhai Kanhaji benevolent action eventually led to summons by Guruji, who explained that he had received a complaint about his action on a battlefield. Okay, and another Guruji explained that he had received a complaint about you on a battlefield. Guruji said, "These brave Sikhs are saying that you go and feed water to enemy. You go and feed water to enemy, and they recover to fight them again. Is this true?" Asking just. Bhai Kanhaji replied, "Yes, my Guru. What they say is true. What they say is true. Okay, but Maharaj, I see no Mughal, no Sikh on the battlefield. I only see human beings." This is the actual real compassion. He see only human beings. He saw on the battlefield only, but that's why he helped all. Okay, and feeding water all. The Guruji, this is the unconditional love. And Guruji, they all have the same good spirit. And Guruji, have you not taught us to treat all the God peoples as the same? And Guruji asking, the Guruji have you not taught us treated all God peoples as the same? The same. The Guruji was very pleased with his reply, and Bhai Kanhaji had understood the deep message of Gurbani correctly. very pleased with this reply. And Guruji smiled and blessed Bhai Kanai. Smiled and also blessed. Yes, he said, Bhai Kanai, you are right. You have understood the true message of Gurbani. He then told the Sikh who had complained that Bhai Kanai had understood the deeper message of Guruji's teaching correctly. Only Bhai Kanai understood the deeper message of Guru's teaching, and that's why he saw his behavior and helped and feed water or enemy also. That they all would have the strive to learn lesson from the priceless words of Gurbani. Guruji also gave Bhai Kanhaiya some medical ointment and said, from now on you should also put this balm on wounds of all who need it. And also the Guruji gave Kanhaiya some ointment also and told, apply the ointment. All, not only the Sikh, not only particular Mughals, okay, all, not so any discrimination, any biasness. Who need it, only apply it. This is actually the compassion's unconditional love, and also the be considerate. I have already told the show empathy. Actually, this showing empathy, his empathy to all the peoples. Then turning to the Angad Guruji said, the Satsangaji Bhai Kanhaiya is a God-fearing saint. His impartial and non-biased behavior. Impartial means treating all rivals equally, okay, and the others let him to achieve the Sehaj Avastha and let him carry on his mission. Many more will follow in his footsteps in the years to come and keep the tradition. Skam Seva. Many more. After that, many more will follow in his footsteps. After they follow in his footsteps in years to come and keep the tradition. Niskam Seva. Niskam Seva, selfless service to humanity and alive. Bhai Kanhaiya thus understood literally lived the following message of Panchampita in Gurbani. This actually the story about on focusing the what is the compassion, what is real compassion, and showing the all and help all peoples. Okay, this is have to, I hope, understood this way, and always help the all peoples, not only your friends, not only your family members, enemy also have to and have to help and showing the unconditional love. This is the very much important, unconditional love, and no condition is there, and no biased behavior. Okay, no biasness. Okay, and your first story completed, and next video I will discuss the second story. Second story, the king of compassion. Another story, another interesting story, very much. After that, I will tell questions and have to write in your copy. Okay, and from the first chapters, I have already told the questions, and please write down in your copy. At least try it. When school will be open, I will discuss the question answer. Okay, thank you.